Hello everyone, it's me Destiny, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your computer for web development. Now for a web browser, I'll recommend you to use Google Chrome so that everything we'll be doing in this course will match what you're seeing in the video. Now to download Google Chrome, head over to your web browser and type in Google Chrome download. You head over to the first link, download Google Chrome. You scroll down and click the download Chrome button. You click accept. Then you wait for it to install. If the download doesn't begin automatically, you can click download Chrome manually. Click save to your downloads. Now head over to your file explorer, and in your downloads folder the setup file should be there. So you run it and wait for everything to download and install. I have it installed, so I don't need to run this setup. Now we'll need a code editor for writing code, and for that we'll be using Visual Studio Code. Now head over to the website. Then click on the download link. In the downloads page you see download files for Windows, Linux and Mac, so you choose whichever one for your respective operating system. I'm running Windows, so I'll choose Windows. Click save, and now wait for it to download. So when it finishes downloading, you head over to your file explorer and open your downloads folder. You can see the setup. You double click, you run the setup, you click I accept the agreement, then next, and click next and install. Then you leave it to run, and when it finishes installing you can close the setup. But I will not install this because I already have Visual Studio Code installed. And now hopefully your computer has been fully set up for web development, and in the next video we will see how we can start writing our first lines of HTML code. See you there.